Okay, so let's wrap up with the US pre-market movers and some chart points.
Okay, well, I picked out two stocks in the pre-market. King Digital Entertainment, which viewers may be aware is the maker of Candy Crush Saga and I believe Bubble Witch, so gaming software. They reported after the close last night, but the numbers looked okay, but the guidance for Q2 2015 was disappointing, and they're down around 9.9%. Pre-market, obviously, again, these software tech stocks are generally priced for growth, and if they can't deliver, or at least can't beat last year's figures, which is what the case is with King Digital, then the market hits them hard. And the other stock that caught my eye, El Pollo Loco, that's a Mexican-style chicken restaurant chain in the States. They're down 12.25% pre the market, and again, it's a similar story. They're disappointed, but this time, in their case, weaker same-store sales for the brand, and no one likes to see declining sales in the same sort of footprint of the stores. Yep. So they're down 12.25%. And in terms of levels to watch today, so 69.65 in the FTSE to the downside. As you said, we're above 7,000 at the moment, but 7,050 is the upside level that we would need to see a break above to test back to that 7,089 level. The DAX, 11,430 on the downside and 11,635 to the upside. Quite a wide range there, but it's been such a volatile market.
You know, permanent fast market at the moment.
The S&P, 2,100 even. On the downside, so some round number psychology there, and 2125 is the level to look for a breakout and perhaps to test towards new highs. And in the Dow, 18,146 to the downside and 18,290 on the upside. And currency-wise, a little bit weaker in euro dollar, so 113.34 on the downside and 114.17 our upside level. Aussie dollar remains strong, and so we're looking at 80.04 on the downside and 83.80 on the upside. For dollar yen, the yen's actually strengthened slightly, so 119.28 on the downside and 119.97, which I guess you could round up to 120 even if you preferred the round number. And cable just giving a little bit of ground, but 157.07 on the downside and 158.10 is our upside level to watch today.
We've seen stability in the currency markets this week.
Yeah,
on the major pairs.
Yeah, I mean, you know, you look at dollar weakness and euro strength probably as the sort of and probably a bit of cable strength as well as being a defining thing. But it hasn't been volatile. It's been pretty directional. But you know, we'll see if that can continue. I suspect in the case of cable, there's a bit of a honeymoon period post the election, and maybe that will run out perhaps at the end of the month. But
understood.